Welcome to another video on Rex Perlotto's Architectural and Engineering channel. Today's topic focuses on the different types of kitchen countertop finishes. 1. Natural stone granite. Granite is one of the most popular choices for kitchen countertops because of its exceptional durability and natural beauty. Each slab features unique patterns and colors, giving every kitchen a premium and elegant look. Its dense composition makes it highly resistant to scratching, heat, and everyday wear, making it ideal for busy household kitchens. One of the biggest advantages of granite is its excellent heat resistance. You can place hot pots or pans on the surface without causing damage. It is also resistant to chemicals and stains when properly sealed. Because granite is a natural stone, it adds significant value to any home and offers timeless aesthetics that never go out of style. However, granite does have some disadvantages. It requires periodic sealing to maintain stain resistance and prevent moisture absorption. It is heavier than most materials, requiring strong cabinetry for support. Lastly, granite slabs can be expensive, and installation needs to be done by professionals due to their weight and complexity. 2. Natural stone marble. Marble countertops are highly appreciated for their luxurious appearance and classic veining patterns. This stone adds a soft, elegant touch to any kitchen, making it a preferred choice for high-end interior designs. Its cool surface is also perfect for baking and pastry work, as the material naturally stays cooler than room temperature. Marble's main advantage is its aesthetic appeal. No other material replicates its unique veining and natural glow. It can instantly elevate the overall look of a kitchen and is ideal for homeowners seeking a refined, sophisticated ambiance. When properly maintained, marble can last for decades and maintain its classic character. On the other hand, marble is softer and more porous than granite, making it more prone to scratches, stains, and etching from acidic foods. It requires frequent sealing and cautious maintenance. Marble is also sensitive to heat and may show signs of wear faster when exposed to heavy kitchen activity. 3. Porcelain tiles, marble texture. Porcelain tiles with marble texture offer the elegant look of real marble without the high maintenance and cost. These tiles are manufactured using high temperatures, resulting in a strong and durable material suitable for kitchen. Because the pattern is printed digitally, homeowners can choose from a wide range of marble-style designs that match any interior theme. A major advantage of porcelain tiles is their excellent resistance to stains, heat, and moisture. They are also lightweight compared to natural stones, making them easier to install. Additionally, porcelain tile countertops are more affordable and offer consistent patterns, ensuring a uniform finish without the natural imperfections found in real stone. Despite these benefits, porcelain tiles have some drawbacks. The grout lines between each tile can accumulate dirt and require regular cleaning. Tile edges may also chip if hit by heavy objects. Lastly, while the printed marble design looks realistic, it may not fully replicate the depth and natural veining of genuine marble. 4. Ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are a budget-friendly option, commonly used for kitchen countertops, especially in traditional or rustic-style homes. They come in many colors, textures, and patterns, making them versatile and customizable. Ceramic tiles are also relatively lightweight and easy to install, making them a good option for small renovation projects. One key advantage of ceramic tiles is their resistance to heat and moisture, which makes them suitable for kitchen use. They are also easy to replace individually in case of damage. Ceramic tiles provide a cost-effective way to achieve a clean and functional countertop design without requiring a large budget. However, ceramic tiles have limitations. They can chip or crack under impact, and grout lines can stain or harbor mold if not sealed properly. The surface may not be as smooth or seamless as natural stone or solid surfaces, which can affect cleaning and maintenance. Ceramic tiles also do not offer the same premium look and durability as stone materials. If you found this video useful and informative, please like and subscribe to this channel so you can stay updated with the upcoming valuable videos.